of the law, because basically what we are dealing with is transgression and violation of the Constitution. So we are talking about respect for the dictates of the law. We have lawyers who are threatened right now. You have Eron Kiiza, who was illegally sentenced to 9 months. We have to deal with that issue because the law is very clear. Have somebody tried, even if you have issues against them, have them tried. Accord them the due process. Accord them the right to a fair hearing. That is the command of Article 28. And Article 44 makes it non-derogable, the right to a fair hearing. And this is what we want to deal with. That please, how can you behave in such a cowboyish manner in the way you are dealing with matters to do with justice? So that is a very serious matter with Eron Kiiza. Then with Dr. Kizza, Besigye, of course. No, before I take leave of the issue of Eron Kiiza, you know the provisions of the UPDF Act which talk about the sentencing, that even if you find somebody guilty of contempt of court, the maximum sentence is 30 days. Now, where do they derive the powers to hand down a sentence of 9 months away from the parameters of the Constitution? Then with the issue of Dr. Kizza Besigye, obviously you know what is happening. That court has no jurisdiction to deal with him, to try him. I don't want to elaborate that, but that issue is so central that they have no jurisdiction whatsoever. They have no authority. They have no powers to handle Dr. Kizza Besigye's matter. And that is a central matter. It's central to whatever we are doing.
That conviction and sentence were annulled, illegal, null and void, and therefore they should not be considered and they should not be treated with the contempt it deserves. First of all, he did not contempt the tribunal. A tribunal cannot be contempted of, and therefore whatever transpired, even now, he's in detention unlawfully and illegally because there was no proceeding and hearing that took place before he was convicted and sentenced.